Well, good morning.
Good morning.
How's it going, guys? The roosters are starting to crow. At least one of them.
Yeah, I hear him every morning, and he's getting better and better every day. Yeah.
He's trying.
Yeah, maybe he's screaming at you to come feed him. Feed me.
Oh, I'm sure.
I know you're awake.
Well, every morning they see me and they all bunch up by the fence.
Yeah, like a little bunch of little kids. Oh, hey, what about us?
He's awake, guys. Look.
Yeah.
Maybe it's time for breakfast. Every morning, but I still miss Medina. I do miss Medina.
Yeah.
He had a really, really good crow.
He did. It was towards the end there, right? It was really good crow, like loud and proud and sounded like a rooster. Not the...
I mean, that sounds like a rooster.
I know, but he sounds like a broken teenager. You know what I mean? To get what I'm...
Going through puberty.
Yeah.
With the voice.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, still waking up, guys.
Yeah, we woke up a little bit ago, not too long ago. You know, like an hour ago.
Yeah, about an hour. Well, me like 30 minutes ago. First cup of coffee still.
Yeah, we haven't quite sucked down the first cup.
Nope, and if you guys are like us, coffee is like key in the morning.
Yeah, and it takes me like 2 cups a day to get going. After that second cup, smooth sailing for me for the rest of the day.
Yeah, coffee. I would say coffee or tea, or some people I know drink soda in the morning.
Yeah, I don't.
People just need the caffeine.
Yeah, I don't drink too much soda. I mean, there for a while I hadn't had soda in a long time.
Oh, you went years without having it.
Yeah, I never had a soda, and then we moved out here, and I'd say in the last year or so, I've been dabbling in some soda, you know.
Yeah, we don't drink too much soda.
Yeah.
Quite honestly. Growing up, I didn't have soda really at the house. Diet soda.
Yeah.
Was about it.
Yeah.
And then...
oh, that was a different one.
That's a different one. Trying to compete. So we don't really have too much soda, which is good, though.
No, it is good. So my weakness soda, though, is Mountain Dew.
I know.
And if it's in the house, I want it because it's there. It's my favorite kind of soda. So, you know.
I like root beer and Dr. Pepper.
Yeah. My ultimate favorite is Code Red, but
Ugh.
I like Mountain Dew too.
That one's trying.
Yeah.
It's funny. We got Luna and Eclipse over here hanging out in the kiddie pool.
Yeah, they're over here this morning.
Now they're probably going to come over here.
Yeah,
and
here they
bug us.
come. Well, at least they're dribbling off before they get over here.
Yep. You guys go do something else.
You got all this to go do something in. It amazes me, dogs, right? We have all of this for the dogs to go run around and play and have a good time. No, they want to be right here.
Well, yeah, of course.
Wherever you're at.
Well, that's more in Jaina, too, on you.
I know, where is...
I'm surprised they're not right here.
Well, they got chased away, so...
Oh, no.
Yeah, Mora and Jaina are definitely, I'd say my dogs. They follow me everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and wherever I'm at, they're at.
Yeah, like 24/7.
I'm sure Jaina is somewhere close. Like, she can probably see me right now. So she knows that if I were to get up and walk over to the trailer or walk over there to the neighbor's house or something, she would know where I'm at.
Oh, no, 100%. You can't go anywhere without her following you around.
Yeah.
It used to be like that with me, with Jaina, but when we moved out here, it kind of changed. And then she's become really, really your dog.
Yeah.
I mean, it's everybody's dog.
I know, but she's,
know? I mean,
you just have like those animals that are just more glued to a certain person.
Oh, yeah.
You know, and.
Like me with all my chickens.
Yeah, they love you. You know, I go out there and they do come up to the fence and stuff when I walk over there, and I'll, bark, 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 and they, come over. But like when I walk in there, they all scatter and they don't like jump on my back and,
I can't even barely go in there anymore.
Peck my eyes out. No, I'm just kidding.
I go in there, I know, peck my eyes out. Exactly. I'm all freaked out now all the time. I am, because I go in there and I'm like, no. Because I'll just bend down to pick up their bowls. and there'll be 2 of them on my back.
Yeah, they see the
Instant,
Yeah, they're all, oh, he's bent over. Whoop.
right on it.
Yeah.
Every single time.
They don't do that for me, but that's okay.
I don't mind.
Yeah.
But their claws or talons they're getting sharp.
Yeah,
So
I'm
it's starting to
surprised
hurt.
some of them can still jump that high. They're getting pretty big.
It's the smaller ones.
Yeah.
Peggy in there, she can't barely jump up to the ramp.
she can barely get up on the roosting bar.
I'm telling you. That's one of our big fat hens. We named her Peggy.
Yeah.
And
She's like probably one of the biggest hens in there right now.
yeah, she'd be the hen boss, I think.
Yeah, maybe she is. I don't know, maybe Miss Gray's the boss.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, Miss Gray is super nice though.
Yeah, I like Miss Gray.
So if you guys seen our video yesterday, as you guys know, we got the whole bathroom finished.
Yay!
And it came out so good.
I know, I'm so proud and happy. Every time I go in there, I'm just like, man, this was just a shed, and open space, and now there's a wall and a bathroom in here now, Just the whole process of it's been fun to unfold, I guess, as you would say.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just nice because we don't have to use the trailer anymore.
Yeah, I haven't used the trailer bathroom in a couple days, which has been really, really nice.
Yep, you emptied it out, cleaned it out.
I did. I
brought a real bathroom.
Yeah. And it's amazing, too, right? I was cleaning it, and in our bathroom in the trailer, as you guys know, it's fairly small. And we had, different techniques for storage in there. We had a shoe, plastic shoe holder.
Like a holder behind the door holder.
Yeah, so we had a bunch of stuff in there, like our bathroom, makeup and extra
storage.
Yeah, extra supplies or whatever. So I cleaned all that out, got all the stuff out of the shower, and I thought, man, this is so much stuff. I don't know how I'm going to fit it inside the house. It's really not that much stuff that I pulled out of there. It just looks like a lot because the bathroom was so much smaller.
Yep. And for me, that was like on the wall right next to the toilet inside the camper. And
yeah.
I'm all squished in there all the time.
It did. It took up a lot of space. And I did keep some of the, towards the bottom a little bit, not full of stuff. So
yeah, there's a couple things in there still.
Yeah. But it wasn't like, I tried to make it easier, but, we need the place, we need storage.
I know.
We only got so much space in the trailer.
No, it's slowly coming, getting empty.
Yeah, slowly moving out, which is really cool. I can't wait to officially move out into the house.
I know. It's coming.
It is.
Soon. I called yesterday about some insulation for the house. As you guys know, that's most likely going to be our next project, is finishing the insulation. I think we said that before, but...
Yeah, we talked about our plans as far as how we were going to work after the bathroom. We just wanted to get the bathroom 100% done.
Well, so we have a bathroom. Yeah, I mean, it's needed. But now that that's done, I mean, we got to do drywall and insulation, and we do have a budget for all that kind of stuff. And I called around, and it's not as expensive as I thought it'd be.
No, actually, it was.
So it's good.
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's cheap, but
no, it's not. It's not cheap, but it's not as expensive as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
And that's for the whole house, is getting it insulated. So I think I'm going to be calling them back today, and they'll deliver it out here, which is nice.
Yeah.
And because we need a bunch.
Yeah.
And so I'd have to make 2 or 3 trips with my trailer to get it all.
Yeah, so are you ready? Because I think that's pretty much what we're going to be doing for a while, is drywall and insulation. Or I should say insulation and then drywall.
Yeah, because I want to get it done. We have to get it done before winter, obviously. So I'm ready to get it done. Get that going. Insulated. We got the insulation. We're going to get it for the roof and everything too, guys.
Yeah.
Or the ceiling. Right? And we still need to buy drywall, though.
Yeah, right. We're going to do it in phases, or stages, I should say. We'll get all the insulation, use it, get it all done, and then I don't know if we'll buy all the drywall at once, because that might be...
No, I think with the drywall, we should do 1 room at a time.
The sun, of course, has to come out up from behind the trees.
It's okay. It gives it character around here.
Yeah, do I have that sun-kissed glow about me?
Yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. We did yesterday, we cleaned the pole barn.
Yeah.
Okay, and we cleaned our deck, was just full of storage.
Yeah.
Got used as storage bin.
Well, that, and so I've noticed since we've been working, even on Thunderdome, it comes in phases depending on what we're working on. So if we're doing a lot of woodworking, there's messes just of woodworking stuff. There's,
I know,
everywhere. And then we clean up. And then we're working on the next phase, which would be like, drywall or something. And then there's just a bunch of drywall stuff and,
Well, like I was telling Roxanne too, I said, and this is known, right? People do this. It's nothing big deal. But if you clean as you go.
I know.
Right? Which we did that when we just did that one wall, the drywall in our room. Like right when we were done, I went and cleaned everything up and swept and like put it all in a trash bag, little pieces.
Yeah.
And did it right away instead of letting it compile. And so I think we should be mindful and do that.
Well,
every day I say when we're done working for the day.
Yeah.
Whatever mess is there that we made that day, clean.
Yeah.
And then that way we keep on it.
Well, the good thing is right now is like we're working on just insulation. So there's really not a lot of tools or materials that you need to do that. And so I don't think that will be too bad. It's like when the drywall, right? And it's mainly like drywall dust that's everywhere and,
Well, yeah, I'm talking about just the pieces.
Little pieces of drywall everywhere and stuff like that. But yeah, I think, we could do it, clean up as we go, especially now because we don't really have, we still got some things we got to build in the house. Like when we get to Wyatt's bathroom, we got to build all that like we did in this one.
Yeah, got to do the wall inside the bathroom, and we have a little bit of stuff we got to do in our room so we can connect the walls. Kind of like the bathroom we had to do.
Yeah.
Just extend the wall up a little bit and over.
Yeah, so it's flat.
Yeah, on the sides.
But it was really cool to clean up and actually put like all the plumbing stuff away because we're done with plumbing.
Yeah, we took everything out of the house. We had like 4 totes.
Yeah.
Full of tools and random stuff that we just, threw in the tote because we were using all these things. And then we spent, I don't know, like an hour or two, brought all the totes outside, emptied every single one of them. This is all just random tools and pieces and parts and this and that and this.
Yep.
And we separated them all to like drywall stuff, electrical, plumbing, and then the random toolbox.
Yeah.
Bin.
Yeah, tote.
Tote, right? Stuff that we use commonly around here while we're doing this, but I don't want to go all the way back to the tent, put it away in the toolbox because tomorrow I'll need to grab it. Kind of a thing,
Yeah.
And so we did that and put everything in the pole barn, cleaned up all the wood out there. It's been just such a mess.
Yeah, like I said,
our fault,
yeah, it happens. You get caught up in just whatever, right? And then plus after the end of the day, after working inside the house and it's been so hot, you don't want to come out here and clean. You just don't.
And we haven't.
No, you're hot, you're tired, you just want to go sit and like chill. Literally chill.
Yeah, in the AC.
Yeah, and veg out on your phone or whatever,
But yeah, so I'm glad we got that done yesterday. It was desperately needed.
Yeah.
Desperately needed.
Yeah, and it looks nice. And, because we had those totes on the porch or whatever. No. I was like, we got rid of them. I'm like, man, we have so much room out here on this porch. I forgot.
I know.
It's going to look really weird, too, over there. Because we have our freezer out there on the porch.
One of them.
One of them, yeah. And it's going to look weird without the freezer being there.
Yeah, that's not its permanent spot.
No, it's just temporary for right now.
Until, I don't even know where we're going to put it.
In there.
I thought the other one was going in there.
Well, both of them are going in there.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see.
Yeah. Oh, hi, Maura.
But we got some stuff to do today, guys. I got to go. Like I said, I'm probably going to order that insulation, I think. Talk to the guy in there and see when he can get it delivered. Clean up some more. I got some little small projects here and there I want to start doing. Nothing too much. Yeah, I have some gardening stuff I need to do. And I was kind of thinking today would be a good day. It's going to be nice. It's supposed to be nice today. It feels nice. It's a beautiful morning, guys. Oh, yeah, it's perfect. Really beautiful morning. Yep. So we're going to get on that, guys. Yeah. So I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye.